Hi Mayfield, it's Miss McPhee. It is Thursday, December 1st. Happy December. This is our homework for the week that's due tomorrow, Friday, December 2nd. I did go into the shoebox and we have a couple of suggestions, but the one that I picked says, can you please do the second question, which is the room sizes? And that is an excellent question because I want to be sure you understand all the different answers we're looking for. It does say what's the area of each room, and there are 3 different rooms. So we are looking for 3 different answers in this problem. The first floor of a house consists of the kitchen, the playroom, and the dining room. The areas of the kitchen, playroom, and dining room are in this ratio 4:3:2. And their combined area is 189 feet. What is the area of each room? So I'm going to show you this using a tape diagram just because I really like tape diagrams, but then I'm also going to show you how you could set it up on a double number line if you wanted, or on a table. So for the kitchen, I'm going to have my tape diagram with 4 boxes. And then for my playroom, I'm going to have 3 boxes. And then for my dining room, I'm going to have 2 boxes. And when I add all my boxes up together, I get 4, 5, 6, 7, I have 8, 9 boxes. And my total area is 189. So to find out how much is in each box, I'm going to divide my total area by the amount of boxes in my tape diagram. And this actually comes out to be a pretty friendly number. 9 goes into 18 2 times, and 9 goes into 9 1 time. So that means that 21 is the value that's going to go inside each of our boxes in our tape diagram. So that means the area of this kitchen is 21, 42, 63, 84 feet squared. And my playroom is going to be 21, 42, 63 feet squared. And then the dining room is going to be 21, 42 feet squared. So that would be one way to get your answer. If you like the table strategy, and I know a lot of you do, we have our kitchen, we have our playroom, we have our dining room, and then we have our total area. So initially it says the kitchen ratio is 4 to playroom 3 to dining room 2. And when I add those up, I get a total of 9. So what you could do is you could just keep skip counting. This would be 8, this would be 6, this would be 4. When I add these together, I get 18. This would be 12, this would be 9, this would be 6. When I add these together, I get 27. This would be 16, this would be 12, this would be 8. When I add these together, I get 36. And you could keep going until you got down to a total of 189, and you would also have those areas. Same thing with a double number line. In this case, we would probably do a triple number line. We would have our kitchen, we would have our playroom, and we would have our dining room. And you could do the same thing. We're going to start with that initial ratio of 4:3:2. And of course that total is 9. And then that would be 8 and 6 and 4. And that total is 18. And again, you could keep going on your double number line until you got a total of 189. Those 2 strategies will still work. They're going to take some steps, but that's okay. If you like these strategies, I want you to use them. I chose the tape diagram for this problem because it got me my answers in the most efficient manner. But all 3 strategies are great, and if you have an additional strategy that works, remember there's lots of right ways to get the right answer. You don't have to think about just what's the one right way. I hope that helps. You've been working really hard, and we just started Unit 3. I've been very excited with your work this week as well. I will see you tomorrow. Bye, everybody.